Welcome everyone, we're here to explore the cutting-edge features of our platform, with a special focus on the autopilot functionality. Autopilot streamlines the process of initiating and managing cryptocurrency nodes, making it accessible to all. Today, our goal is to guide you through setting up a base node on Google Cloud Platform, GCP, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. To begin, navigate to our dashboard and locate the New Node button. Click on it and then select Deploy. It's crucial to give your node a unique name in the Node Name field for easy identification. Next, in the Blockchain Protocol selection menu, choose Base. Proceed by selecting Mainnet as your network. For node configuration, opt for Full Node. For first-time users, the next step is to connect with GCP. This option can be found in the Connected Platform section. Returning users should also choose GCP for smooth management and seamless integration with cloud services. Take a moment to carefully review your setup choices. You'll then see a summary page detailing the specifics of your node's setup, including pricing. Ensure all details are correct. If you're satisfied, click Deploy. Your node will be operational shortly, showcasing our platform's efficient deployment capabilities. Once your node is deployed, explore the range of management tools available to you. Dive into sections like Summary, Metrics, Logs, Alerts, Deployments, and Settings. These tools offer comprehensive insights into your node's performance, allowing you to make adjustments for optimal efficiency. That concludes our guide. By following these steps, you've successfully established a base node on GCP using Autopilot. We're thrilled to have assisted you in this setup process and look forward to the impact and accomplishments your new node will bring. Thank you for joining us today.